Hey, welcome back to my video. For the next video from me is on how to save your money. Is breaking your saving goal into a daily size piece. Saving around $1,800 in 1 year or for any emergency fund when you are starting from zero is a daunting task. To say the least, breaking down to saving around 150 each month can help you raise a bit more easily, but that still may seem like a decent chunk of change. However, when you break it down every further, you find that $1,800 in 1 year is just $5 a day, which probably seem much more doable. Recently, from the University of California, Los Angeles, and the University of London found that it easily for people to save money when they break it down into daily contributions. You can contribute a daily amount of $5 or include it as a daily $5 transaction in your budget. So that the saving is available for you to use on any else. This approach doesn't change the amount you are ultimately saving, but it can help you stay on track for long-term goals. Okay, next is reduce your money bills. In the age of the internet, subscription fee are unavoidable. Streaming service, news sites, meal kits, delivery plans, takeout apps, grocery delivery programs, the list goes on. Add all of those fees on top of your regular monthly bills, and the total can quickly eat up a huge part of your paycheck. Take a hard to look at where your monthly payments are going, which should be easy since you have been tracking them in a budget. There are any subscription you just doesn't use enough to be worthwhile. If you never watch any on Hulu or end up throwing away half of those pre-made dinner, it is time to cancel your subscriptions and free up some more money to save. Another way to reclaim some cash is to contact all of your monthly service providers and ask for a better deal. Your internet, cable, and phone bill are entirely negotiable, and you might not even have to change your cell phone plans or lose access to the premium cable channels to catch a price reductions. Simply call the customer service line of your provider, request to be put on a call with a retention and cancellations department and ask for a lower price in a firm but friendly way. Okay, for the next is earn cash back when you shop. Did you know you can make money while shopping online or at grocery store? There are two main way to do it. The first is using an online shopping portal like Rakuten. Whenever you need to make a purchases, you can either go directly to the Rakuten website, search for the item you're looking for, and then click to the site offering the best reward to user, or you can download the Rakuten browser extension which notify you of the cashback offers available when visiting different websites. As you earn rewards, you can cash them out as quarterly check. The cash with site like this is that you will have to do your due diligence, focusing exclusively on getting cash back can mean you miss less expensive options that doesn't give you cashback. It is also important to only use cash back site from needs, not wants. If you are not cautious, it's easy to win up buying random things you don't need. The other option is using a cashback credit card. Credit cards sometimes get a bad reputation in the personal financial industry because they can quickly saddle customer with debits if they are not careful. But if you always back your balance in full each month, uh, you and should the then it's wise to take advantage of generous credit card reward program. Take the Blue Cash Prefers and card from American Express, which allows user to earn 6% cashback on $6,000 worth of grocery store purchases each year. Okay, but uh, take the Blue Cash Preferred or card from American Express is a good idea for um, earn cash back when you shop. Okay, okay, that's all for me from this video. Thank you very much.